What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some goodies. Here's the first on the channel. We're going to be putting mufflers on something. Here I got a set of Flowmaster Super 10s. Going on, of course, the old 351. I just got new tires for it today. Pretty sick, pretty sweet. Gamotos! Figured Flowmasters would sound pretty good. They look pretty good. Gonna have to do some weird stuff, but just kind of want to try something else, try a different exhaust sound compared to just pure straight pipes. I'm getting ready to loosen all this stuff up, figure out, I'll probably put the muffler behind this clamp, put it here, and then have basically hide we'll turn it to a turn down, and we'll just hide it, because I think we can kind of stealth it, because it will be kind of weird, because it's going to go here, and then exit through the top, but I gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so we got the pipes off. I smashed my thumb pretty bad. I'll survive. But now I'm gonna work on, I think I'm gonna put the Flowmasters after the exhaust clamp. So we'll cut like an inch or so here. That way we don't have a bunch of just pipe. So we'll probably have our muffler here, and then whatever's left we'll cut and weld that on there. So let me bring some electricity around here, and by that I mean grab the drop cord. Real precise measurement here. Like here. It's being stupid. And I cut it sideways. Almost. Yeah, it's one of those self-adjustable exhaust pipes. Alright, we got that one side on there. It looks pretty cool. I mean, it is kind of a little goofy with it kind of poking out, but I think that's alright because we're kind of hiding everything. We might have to shorten our pipe because we might hit that leaf spring perch, but all stuff that I can figure out later. Anyways, we're gonna get this side put on and we'll give you a sound test. Alright, got that other side on. Looks pretty even. Dude, that sounds so sweet. Oh my goodness. anyways, guys, we about wrapped it up. The sun is just now starting to go down, so I think that's going to be where we wrap this video up. Thank you guys, as always, for watching. We're kind of teetering on 200 subscribers. We're still working on that. All the support helps. I'll see you guys next time. We'll do something else for this, or work on the Mazda. I got a Bronco in the backyard we need to build that 302 for, so we'll get it figured out. Peace, guys.